बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful and outstanding crochet sewing flower centerpieces decoration ideas. These are top trending and most unique and very beautiful sewing crochet centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. These are super incredible and very unique and very amazing and very beautiful. Crochet sewing table centerpieces decoration ideas. So if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. If you want different kind of videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Always take care guys, always be happy. And these are super stunning and these are very unique, very pretty collection of crochet sewing table decoration ideas for you guys. These are very amazing, very unique, very pretty collection for you guys, and you must try these sewing centerpieces decoration ideas at your homes. You watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of centerpieces ideas at home very easily. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are super incredible and very pretty, very unique crochet table decoration ideas, and you must try at your homes. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are super incredible ideas. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, guys. Be happy.